Right, Mona and Ritika. I obviously had to do some kind of a preparation before I could come here and meet you guys and we talk about your work. I went through your website and I found some very interesting, catchy phrases. So there are three of them which are, embedded here. I'll go one by one. You guys choose who's going to take the answer. The first one is proxy child.
Oh, wow. Right. Proxy child. Who is a proxy child? Our care managers. So our care manager comes in as a proxy child and helps the senior citizen by running errands for them, doing all the concierge work for them. Now, when I say that they help the senior citizens, the elderly, they actually also help the children because most of the elderly people don't have their children staying with them. Right. So he comes in once a week or twice a week, whichever package the client wishes to, opt for. And in those many hours, he runs errands for them. From anything from buying groceries and fruits, getting medicines, doing the pillbox management, supervising handyman services, fixing appointments with doctors, accompanying them to the doctors. And the USP of our proxy child package, the care manager package, is the emergency medical assistance. Now, what happens is during an emergency, medical emergency, which can happen anytime, day or night, and once the care manager gets to know about the emergency, he sends the ambulance and accompanies the patient to the hospital, does all the paperwork, and if need be, stays with the patient for up to 48 hours. And the reason behind this is that most of the children stay abroad. And it takes about 2 days for them to come to India, to come to Hyderabad and relieve him. So that is what a proxy child is. But apart from that, he also provides companionship. So there are a lot of people who are lonely. So once the work is done, once he finishes all his errands, he comes and keeps them company. And so they become like their grandson. So the care managers are addressed as beta and, things like that. So the terms of endearments come in then. Terms of endearment come in and they just love our care managers. And that's what a proxy child is.
Yeah, so a child who is not there, so therefore proxy child. Yeah.
So, coming back again, Ritika, to care manager, is it a challenge to find these care managers? Do care managers enjoy this kind of philanthropic role where it's more about giving or initially they are different and as they get into playing the role of a proxy child, they develop? What has been your experience?
Well, that's a lovely question. The care managers, basically when we interview them, we look for one thing in them, one particular thing in them and the aspect, which is empathy. And is it a challenge for them? Yes, of course it is a challenge because initially when we tell them what this job is all about, they kind of say, yeah, we can do it because it sounds easy.
And it's something they've never done before.
Yeah, exactly. They've never done before. But what we try and do is train them. We provide the training. And you know what? The best part is when they start visiting our clients, they realize the difference they are making, in the client's life. And that, I think, is a reward by itself. And as I mentioned before, they're being addressed as beta and, whatever. They just love it. So the challenges that we face and rather they face is, yes, sometimes, elderly people with dementia are not able to communicate properly as to what they want to the care managers. But again, our care managers are, honestly, we call them the superheroes because they've done their homework. They know what to expect from people who have dementia or Alzheimer's, and so they just help them the way they can.
Wow.
That's about it.
If I may just interrupt us slightly, I'd just like to give you two quick examples. The first example is of this gentleman who is a client of ours. We have been employed by their children who both live away from Hyderabad. And they were having a lot of problems. And eventually they decided, since he had dementia and he lived alone here in Hyderabad, the son came and took him away. And he lived in America for not more than 3 days, the old man. And then said, send me back. Don't worry about me. That tall boy is there. No, who comes? That tall boy is there. I don't need anybody else. I will stay with that tall boy. So they brought him back. And the tall boy, who is one of our care managers, is looking after him again now. You know, and the children have said, okay, fine. He's comfortable. He knows where he is. And, our care manager is there to help him. That's one side of it. The other side of it is the love. So we have this one particular client who she, after a very long time, they've been our clients for over 2 years now. She lives alone, and she went out of town. And when she came back, she got presents for all of us. Now, this is not something that we expect or we want from our clients. But it was, and when we said, no, and she said, no, but I'm giving this to you out of love because you provide so much to my life and I know that I can depend on you. So, yes, we are the proxy children. We are making a difference. So,
so the other incident is about another client of ours. Actually, she's not a client. She was a client. She's all of 99 years old and she stays in an old age home. Very intelligent, but always waits for one of our care managers, who's her care manager, to visit her every Wednesday without fail. She's so old, but yet she tries to talk to him and have a conversation. But then because of the age and she, feels very sleepy. But our care manager, without fail, goes there to meet her. And she used to be our client, but now she's an honorary client of ours.
Yeah.
And we love her.
Wonderful. So, Hyderabadi में कहते हैं, I think दवा से ज़्यादा दुआ काम करती है, and that's exactly the message that you guys have just conveyed.